This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Kick out with your left foot as you hop on your right foot and swing your right arm forward and down, fingers curled into a fist. Bring your left foot down, then repeat this move in the opposite direction. Bring your right foot back down near your left foot and move your hips to the left as you put your left hand on your hip and bring your right hand up in a peace sign near the right side of your face, bending your elbow so that it points straight out to the right. Shake your hips to the right as you move your right hand down to bring your elbow close to your side. Shake your hips to the left and right again as you repeat these arm movements. Turn to the left and hop in place on your left foot as you swing your left arm and right leg forward and your right arm back. Continue lightly hopping in place as you swing your right arm forward and your left arm and right leg back. While swinging your arms in inward circles, take 3 steps around, starting on your right foot, so that you are facing the camera. Bring your left foot and arms down. Bend both elbows to bring your arms out to either side, palms facing in, as you tilt your head to the left and bring your right foot up to the right with your knee bent inward. Tilt your head back up, bring your foot and arms down, then repeat this move in the opposite direction. Repeat both of these moves again. Bring your left foot back down, then turn to the left and cross your arms out in front of you, palms facing up. Move your hands out to either side and up a bit as you bring your right foot up, then turn your hands so that your palms are facing down as you curl your fingers in and bring your right foot back down toward the camera. Move your elbows up and bend your wrists down twice as you shake your hips toward the camera twice. Bring the heel of your right foot down out in front of you as you move your right arm back and your left arm forward, keeping your elbows bent. Bring your right foot back behind you as you switch the positions of your arms, then switch their positions again as you slide your left foot back a bit and step out in front of you with your right foot. Cross your left foot over your right foot so that you are facing the camera again. Extend both arms straight up with your fingers curled in as you bring your right foot up, then bring your right foot down over to the right as you bend your elbows to bring your fists near your shoulders. Extend your arms up again before pulling them back down, then step in place on your left foot as you repeat these arm movements. Lean to the left as you bring your right foot up and extend both arms out to the right. Bring your right foot down, bounce in place, and move your arms around in 2 large counterclockwise circles, leaning in the opposite direction from your hands as you do so. Jump to bring your feet together as you lower your arms to your sides, then put your left hand on your hip, bend your knees slightly with your right knee pointing to the right, and bend your right elbow to bring your right hand out to the side, palm facing up. Hold this pose for 1 count, then stand up straight, twist your upper body to the left, and look in the same direction as you swing your right hand up near your left shoulder. Bend your knees to the left as you extend the index finger of your right hand and slowly swing your arm up and to the right for 4 counts. Come on.